Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money with NordVPN affiliate program. NordVPN affiliate program is really good. And why is that? Only because plenty of times companies offer you a sign up. Like, okay, we will give you a sign up of 20% or 30% or 15%, or just they even give you like a money when you bring lead like $5, like send in blue. But NordVPN offers you for 1 month offer, new sign up 100%, 6 months offer 400% of it, 1 year and 2 year offers are going to be all 40%. But if someone is going to renew, they're going to give you 30%. And that's amazing. So this is why I recommend NordVPN and also affiliate like these. Because in long term it can earn you a lot of money and it's going to snowball. Like if you're gonna get and like I don't know, work with 25, 30 affiliate programs like these, in the long run you're gonna make more money and more money. But of course it's going to take time. I'm not selling you a quick reach course that you're gonna earn like hundreds of thousands of dollars in 2 months. It can even take like 1, 2, 3 years. It depends how much you want to put in the work, of course. So now what you can do is just simply start earning money and then just like sign up. Now when you would do it and when you would have it, another way how you can promote. The first way what you can do is to actually create YouTube videos. You can make NordVPN versus ExpressVPN, right? This is the first way how you can actually make money, and then just promote. If you are interested, you can use the discounted price with a link down below in the description, and people can sign up through it, and then they just like start making money. So that's a really good thing to have. Now, if you're interested to create a YouTube channel and you want to actually make it and earn a living with YouTube, I created also a guide, a course that you will find down below in the link in the description. Check it out, maybe you will find it useful. So that's the one thing that I recommend for you if you want to start creating YouTube videos. Then you can also how to use NordVPN. But my recommendation, don't only do the NordVPN. What you should do is focus for every single VPN and make video about that too. In that way, in that regard, it's going to work flawlessly for you. So that's something that I would definitely recommend, how you can actually make money. But just remember that there is a competition and it's going to take a little bit of time how you can actually make money out of it. So yeah, the second way how we can make money is just write blogs. When you would just write articles for your blog, NordVPN versus ExpressVPN, and you would just write a blog. So if you're like writing more, you can do this way. Also, what you can do is just share your affiliate link in a Quora, etc. So that's pretty much it. Now you can make just plenty of videos about different segments, but definitely guys, don't just stand and don't just do only NordVPN. You want to also focus on ExpressVPN and then also on Surfshark, ProtonVPN and others. In that regard, it's going to be much more effective in long run. But remember this guys, that is going to take time. What you need to do is this. First thing, what you need to focus on is then you're going to do the action. You are going to create a video or like videos, whatever. Based on that, you're going to have result. Based on the result, you need to analyze the result. So, and then you're going to do the action again. Most people, what they do is they do action, they create a video, they do something, then they're going to have a result, but they are not analyzing. They're not thinking, how can I make it better? In what way it can get better? They're not doing it. They're only making action, result, and action again, and always creating videos without ever thinking, okay, what if I do something wrong? Then 10 years pass by and they don't like have any revenue, and that's really important. Now, another thing is that you want to actually focus on like how we can make money. I don't like, no one is doing it for some reason. Everyone is thinking that, okay, I need to create videos. This is the second part. In what way it can make me money? And in what way, how can I make my processes more effective? How I create videos, how much I have time for creating videos. So that's something you should definitely keep in mind to actually dominate things. And that's pretty much it. So if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. To summarize this whole video, my recommendation is go with the NordVPN affiliate. I'm not really in the NordVPN affiliate segment and VPNs. I will get into it, but I got like scheduled for like 2 months from now. But I just wanted to make this video for you so you know that, okay, it's worth it, that I'm going in. So you should go definitely too. We have like more competition on the field. That'll be fun. And yeah, thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. If you want to have like consultation or something, there will be a link down below in the description. Only because, guys, like when I was starting out, it took me 2.5 years to actually get somewhere to earn a living from YouTube. Right now I'm at a point that I have multiple YouTube channels and I earn from 10 to 15K a month, which is pretty good. It's really good, but it took time. So that's something you should definitely keep in mind when you're starting out something that is not going to be like, even the Rome wasn't built in a day. And plenty of people, when they start something, when they don't see results, they just quit. And that's something you should definitely keep in mind, that sometimes to actually build something, you just have to work for it, right? So yeah, thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.